My name's Cerveny. We're at Sónar+D, and we're going to be talking about the role of technology in the future of society. The challenges for the city are the challenges for humanity in general, but I think the word recycling is going to seem quaint in the future. Well, it's already happening. You know, you have services like sharing economy, car services that allow you to relate to transportation more through technological interfaces than through transportation devices. Well, technology, in a way, is an expression of possibility. We invent things based on our own desire, and I think we're getting faster at understanding what the consequences are of some of our choices. We have to become more adaptable. In the future, transportation is more about our story. It's about choosing a destination and then having a set of transportation technologies assemble around that journey. Our relationship with transportation is going to become more transparent.